How to save water stickers to gallery on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Advanced Features. After click on Advanced Features, scroll down to and click on Galaxy Avatar, and scroll down and click on Galaxy Avatar sticker. If you want to save avatar sticker to gallery, so click on Profile and select Profile. After select Profile, go back, and if you want to save stickers, click on Sticker, and you will see first option is Add to Gallery. Click on Add to Gallery. Sticker is saved. If you want to save another sticker, click on Add to Gallery. After click on Gallery, you will see your sticker is saved on your gallery. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can save avatar stickers to gallery on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.